Hey guys, Paul Quintello with the Line Ride Realty Home Keys. My callback number is 908-962-8047. The office 732-709-3600. We are here today in Maplewood, an open house, Sunday, 2 to 5. Please come see it. This is a wonderful colonial charm, rare find in Maplewood. With me today, I'm bringing Wayne Howard. He's going to be introducing you this property to you. All right, cool. So open house sign.
What's happening, everyone? I'm Wayne Harbor with the Line Right Realty Home Key down in Spotswood. My number is 732-288-6348. I'm excited to show it to you. 18 Warren Avenue. Obviously, we're having the open house. So let's get you a sneak peek preview. Let's go on inside. 1920s build, lots of charm, like Paul said. Beautiful inside and out. You got beautiful limestone tabs, no cracks, no scratches, perfect condition. Blue brick in the front, really gives a homey vibe. Opening up into our foyer, again, colonial charm, that's the word of the day. You've got original to the house hardwood floors, double border edging, beautiful, beautiful floors. Exposed beams on the ceiling, you can feel the vibrations. Wall sconces to accent the wall. A still working wood burning fireplace. You're not going to find a lot of those anymore, guys, I'm telling you that. Walking in, we have a reading nook on a corner unit, steeped in natural light, ready to go for coffee, reading, an office, whatever you need, this is the place for you, I'm telling you. Yeah, we're going to walk right on out. Stepping into our kitchen. With the crown molding against the wallpaper really stands out. It's in perfect condition, no chipping, no peeling, no watermarks. It's just beautiful. You can feel the care, you can see that mattered to them, and you can see it was a passion product of theirs. So we love it here, honestly. Moving right in, this is our kitchen. Full-size kitchen, ready to rumble, anything you need, cutting potatoes, veggies, whatever, you're ready to go. But let me tell you what, I love this breakfast nook. You and the family, bacon and eggs right here in the corner. It's cozy, it's nice, I like it. Let's head on outside. Let's see what's going on outside. Let's see what we can entertain. Walking on out. Beautiful, full-size patio. Room for 2 table sets, a full-size table. You got somewhere to sit, somewhere to serve, and everybody has a space they can feel comfortable. And if you're not really feeling the patio, you walk right out onto the full-size backyard. Into the backyard, you'll notice you have a 2-car garage, full-size driveway for 4 or 5 cars, as well as a 6 or 7 length driveway going to the road. So you're never going to be without parking. All right, let's head inside. Let's go upstairs. Oh, let's talk about the pantry before we go upstairs. This pantry is something else, man. I'll tell you what, you're never going to worry about having space for your pots and pans. This is cool. I like the pantry. Full size on the wall, both sides. I like it, I like it. But enough about the pantry, let's go upstairs. Again, everything original to the home. Original, all natural wood. Natural spindles, railings, natural floor, wood on the floor with no sagging, bending, not a lot of creaking as you're walking up. It's super silent. It's, it's well kept, that's the word. So, walking upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and one of our bathrooms. It's a full bathroom and shower. In our first bedroom, a corner unit. Again, lots of natural light coming into this space. Full-size closet going all the way up to the ceiling, so you have plenty of space to fit all your things. Moving into our master suite. Walking in, this really feels like a king suite. Now, this place has that old school colonial, like we were saying, so you're not going to have the ductwork, but you don't have to stick the ACs in the wall into the windows. You're still going to have access to your windows because you have the wall ACs. A full-size double-wide closet with original barnyard doors. Beautiful knobs. I love these knobs. Double-wide, nice and full, all the way up to the ceiling again. Space, space, space. Coming into the next room, this is what we were using originally, well, what they were using originally as their bedroom. The main component that I find, the main luxury of this room, are these double closets. You've got a full-size, almost walk-in closet with a utility chase in there, so you have access to all of your plumbing, anything that you might need in the future. It's right on in here, so it's comfortable, it's easy. Then, with our first closet, we have another double wide closet. Not only does this closet double wide, it goes deep into the wall and all the way up to the ceiling, so there's gonna be room for everybody's shoes, don't you worry. All right, let's step on out. While we're walking out, we're gonna talk about the bathroom. Before we go in the bathroom, we'll notice that we have this very huge linen closet. This linen closet is something else. There aren't enough towels in the world to fit in here. You can't even fit your kids in here. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Let's walk into the bathroom. The bathroom, again, old school charm. This is a super cozy, without being small, bathroom. You've got the blue over the paneling. It gives it that almost naval feel. Exposed beams above and painted in white. Very refreshing, very clean feeling room. You've even got lighting in the shower so that you know, it gets a little risky sometimes when you're getting up early. Full-size tub so you can wash the dog, the kids, yourself, whatever needs to happen. This is the right kind of bathroom for you. It's ready for you and your family. But let's go outside, let's step out, and let's go to the attic. I think the attic is perfect. All right, stepping on up. It's a walk-up attic, so no pull-downs, no ladders, no folding, no messing with stuff. Just walk straight up, beautifully convenient. You know, if you need another bedroom, if you need space, this is a beautiful space for you to use and utilize. A lot of places don't have this, so this is an awesome space for you. So this is an awesome space for you. Walking up, semi-finished, so you got your roof paneling. This is fully insulated, so it's not going to be cold in the winter. It's not going to be hot in the summer. It's temperate. It's mild. It's what you need. Again, full-size space. No matter what you do with it, you're going to have storage. You're going to have room to put a bed in here. You want to put a cave up here. Then you got those options. These are the original doors to the home. If you want to use them, they're here for you. All crystal knobs, all sturdy wood, all natural wood. Perfect condition, and they're there if you want them.
And there you have it. Today, 2 to 5 open house, 18 Warren Road. Myself, Paul Quintella, with the Line Ride Realty Home Keys, 908-962-8047,
And Wayne Harward, Line Right Realty down in Spotswood, a Line Right home key for you, 732-288-6348, 2 to 5 today. Come check it out, 18 Warren Road. We'd love to see you. Thanks.
have an awesome day.
See you around, y'all.